How can I use NFC card reader for automation on my iPhone device? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. And let's start this video without any further delay. Firstly, if you have downloaded the NFC app, you can simply open it. If you have not, go to the App Store and firstly download the app. Now this is NFC Reader where you have to tap and scan the document from NFC device. So you simply have to connect an NFC device on your account or on your mobile phone here, and then it will be scanned for you. You can also write the text to here on your NFT and then click on the setting. You can remove ads, open URL setting from here just right now, contact to the support. And yes, these are the only features of this account. You can simply use it for automation, like writing something, connecting your NFC device, and many more. This is all about the video. This is all about the application. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.